Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We will present about company business review and strategic plans for Axiata Group Berhad. Before we start, I will introduce each member of the group. The first one is NADZIRAH Binti Muhammad RAFIEE. Second one, NURUL IZZAH Binti Muhammad Noor. Third, NURUL HAFIZAH Binti SUHAIRI. Fourth, NURSYUHADA NAJIHA Binti ZAINAL RASHID. And the last one, NABIHAH Binti ZULKEFLEY.
Axiata Group Berhad is widely known as Axiata, formerly known as UiTM International Berhad, a Malaysian multinational telecommunication conglomerate with the intensive operation throughout Asia. It is one of the country's largest carrier. Axiata, a mobile telecommunication company, describes itself as Asia-centric multinational. It's covering Asia networks such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Cambodia, and Nepal, as well as strategic stake in India and Singapore. For these slides, we can see Axiata has no controlling interest in mobile operation in Malaysia, Nepal, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and also Cambodia, with significant strategic stake in India and Singapore. The group also has stake in non-mobile telecom edition operation in Thailand and Pakistan. Next, the nature of business in Axiata operates as an investment holding company, which engages in the provision of mobile telecommunication and network transmission related service through mobile infrastructure and others.
This is corporate structure of Axiata Group. As if we can see, under Celcom Axiata Berhad Malaysia, there are many wholly owned subsidiaries, consists of associate and affiliates and non-wholly owned subsidiaries. The next one is company current strategies. There are three current strategies, which are technology shift, macroeconomic, and internalizing the digital shift. The first one is technology shift. The commercial rollout of 5G technology has started in more developed markets such as the United States, South Korea, and Australia, and major manufacturers have announced the launch of 5G smartphones, IoT devices, custom business apps, and the use cases are coming soon. Key factors restricting the rapid deployment of 5G in emerging markets include access to affordable and sufficient spectrum, and a weak business case for deployment in markets where 4G is still catching up with mass market adoption and coverage. The second one is macroeconomic. Environment global growth in 2018 is estimated at 3.9%, and 2090 outlook risk increase. First, increased growth anxieties in Asian emerging markets as spillover effect of US-China trade policy tension. The second one is forex volatilities, where the ringgit Malaysia strength against regional opco currency, whilst at the same time depreciating against the US dollar. The last one is internalizing the digital shift. Telco operators need to change their operating models, process, and organizational culture to cope with the proliferation of technology and related deployment in the fourth industrial revolution IR 4.0 in order to remain competitive.
Axiata Company Achievement 2020. Axiata has been awarded Islamic Finance Deal of the Year 2020 by Finance Asia. Next, Axiata has been recognized as Best Company for IR, Best IR Professional by the Malaysian Investor Relations Association. Axiata also secured awards for companies with more than 10 billion in market capitalization and business sustainability reporting at the National Annual Corporate Report Awards 2020. Axiata SWOT Analysis. Axiata Strengths. Axiata has high price competitiveness in Southeast Asia. Axiata has a stable financial performance and one of the largest telecommunication providers with nearly 12,600 employees worldwide. Axiata is a diversified digital business. Next, Line with evolution of the telecommunications market, and Axiata has a secure data privacy and cybersecurity. Axiata weaknesses. There is interruption of the line at certain areas. Axiata also have poor marketing advertisement and low market share in 2020. Next, the price range on product and services are more than competitors. And the last one, Celcom revenue dropped 1.6% in 2020. Opportunities of Axiata. Horizontal integration between Celcom and other companies. There is rapid growth of telecommunication user. Next, Celcom implement government initiative during pandemic COVID-19 crisis. Axiata has expanded to other market segment. And the last one, increasing technology and innovation. Threats of Axiata. First, subscriber war business practices. Next, product and service offered by other competitors. There is also a risk of data breaches and security on the system, and greater rivalry in telecommunication industry.
Internal factor evaluation, or known as IFE, summarize strength and weakness inside the company. Weight listed based on how important that factor is, and the total weight for both factors must be equal to 1. Based on IFE metric shown, the total weighted score for Axiata company is 2.78, which means this company has good internal position. External factor evaluation, or EFE metrics, extracted opportunities and threats from outer organization. The total weighted score for Axiata company on EFE metrics is 3.09, which indicates a strong external position. One of the opportunities factor, which is Celcom implement government initiative during pandemic COVID-19 crisis, needed to be improved as it contributes a bigger relative to achieve success. Competitive Profile Matrix, or CPM, is one of the process to indicate the total score for critical success factor between other competitors. Based on CPM calculated, the biggest competitor for Axiata company is Maxis, that has total score of 2.72. This followed by DG company, which obtained 2.28 for total score, and lastly, U Mobile company, which has 2.15 total score value. SWOT metric can be derived from the SWOT analysis. This SWOT metric is needed as it will be used for the next process, which is Quantitative Strategic Planning Matrix, or QSPM. SWOT metric consists of strength opportunities, or SO strategies, weakness opportunities, or WO strategies, strength threats, or ST strategies, and lastly, weakness threats, or WT strategies. The last process in initiating strategic plan, QSPM, must be calculated. For Axiata company, there are 3 strategic alternatives that have been chosen from SWOT metric, which are: the first one is expanding businesses to worldwide, second is expanding network coverage to solitude area, and the third strategic alternative is improvised marketing advertisement. In this QSPM, key factors such as opportunities, threats, strengths, and weakness needed to be included as well, but only related factor will be calculated. This will result in the total attractiveness score. As we can see, the total attractiveness score, or TAS, has been calculated in QSPM process. Based on this result, we will be used only 2 strategic alternatives that have highest score on TAS. These 2 strategy alternatives chosen are expanding businesses to worldwide and improvised marketing advertisement, as they both have value of 6 and 6.47 alternatively.
Based on QSBM, Axiata should choose the first strategy, which is implementing the expansion of their business worldwide, because the total attractiveness score is 6.00, and the last strategy, which is implementing the improvisation of their marketing department, because the total attractiveness score is 6.47. The expansion of business worldwide, also known as market development, is a strategy where company introduce presence product or service into new geography area. We propose several ideas that can be done, which is attract new demographic customer, attract non-user and competitors customer, and invest significant resources to upgrade their product and service. Axiata can attract new demographic customer by conducting research. Axiata should survey their users' behavior and get to know their target audience by learning the customer's preference and what their expectation on Axiata. With this information, Axiata will be able to identify how to serve the customer better. Axiata need to attract non-user and competitors customer by giving free trial for few months to allow them to experience service of Axiata. Axiata will get to gain customer as they are satisfied. Axiata will receive feedbacks which help to become the benchmark for Axiata to improve their services and products. Axiata need to invest significant resources to upgrade their product and service by invest on the resources and new technologies such as IR 4.0 to work efficiently and effectively. The better technology and resources used, the better quality of product and services that Axiata can produce. The improvisation of marketing department, also known as market penetration, is a strategy where companies seek to increase their market share for present product or service in present market to greater marketing effort. We propose several ideas that can be done, which is apply analytical marketing, enhance customer experience, and deliver a quality and unique content. Axiata should apply analytical marketing to analyze, manage, and measure the marketing performance to maximize the effectiveness of current marketing performance and optimize them. The information acquired allow Axiata to find out about their strength and weakness in their marketing and uplift themselves to acquire a better marketing effort. Axiata should enhance customer experience by investing in new technology and engineering services so that it will help Axiata from any problem that will arise. Axiata will be able to have better power outage, quick restore functionality, and able to notify customer for problem faster. Axiata need to deliver a quality and unique content by having partnership with content creator company to make better content. A quality and unique content will attract people's interest. In conclusion, Axiata is one of the leading telecommunications group in Asia. With the help of QSBM, we have chosen two alternative strategies that can help Axiata to achieve their long-term objectives. We are confident that these strategies will help Axiata to move towards their organizational vision and mission. As there are increasing threats from competitors and increasing problems arise, these strategies will help man and introduce solutions to Axiata in the future.
That's all from us. We hope everyone will gain more information after watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching.